This is the list of states that are being proposed by people from the South that are agitating to have their own state. Number 1, Ogoja State, proposed from Cross River State. Number 2, Warri State, to be carved out of Delta State, often linked to oil-rich areas. Number 3, Obolo/Ori State, a joint proposal from Rivers and Akwa Ibom State. Number 4, Bori State, proposed from Rivers State. Number 5, Toru Ebe State, a multi-state proposal involving Delta, Edo, and Ondo. These are the 5 states that are being proposed by people from the South. If we Anioma people lose the opportunity by not actualizing Anioma State and zoning it to the Southeast, do you think that these state proposals that are 5 in numbers from the South will give we Anioma people that slot to have a state in the South? It's never possible. Ogoja people are complaining of marginalization in their present location. They want to have their own states. If Anioma people like, let them tell Ogoja people, Ogoja people, we have been agitating for Anioma State since 1938. Anioma State agitation is 87 years old now. Please give us the slot to have Anioma State. Ogoja people will tell them it's not possible. It is never possible and it shall never be possible. The people that are agitating for Warri State will never allow Anioma people to take that slot. Warri State proposals are Isekiri people. You think say Isekiri people go allow Anioma people to take that slot? It's not possible. Obolo State agitators are from Akwa Ibom State. Obolo people said that they are being marginalized in Akwa Ibom State. They said that they want to have their own states. Do you think that Obolo people will give Anioma people that slot for a state to be created for Anioma people in the South? No. Bori State is another state agitation from River State. Do you think that Bori people will give Anioma people the slot? No. The Ijaw people in Ondo State, Edo State, and Delta State, they are agitating for Toru Ebe State. Do you think that these Ijaw people will give Anioma people the slot to get Anioma State for South? No, it is never possible. If to say Anioma people they agitate, say they won't get this state now as we dey now, say they won't make Anioma State dey for South, say the entire Anioma people want to make Anioma State dey for South. Anioma people will never take that slot, and that's because other people are competing to get that state. Which kind of politics you think Anioma people go play to take that slot from the South? Our brothers from the Southeast have given we Anioma people their slot for we Anioma people to take that slot, actualize Anioma State, and zone it to the Southeast. We Anioma people, we are one people with our Southeast brothers. We speak the same language, we eat the same food, we have the same dance, we have the same culture and tradition. Everything about we Okwane people is the same with the Southeast. Everything about Eka people is the same with the Southeast. Everything about Oshime and Arancha people is the same with the Southeast. We bear the same names. We have the same deities. Name it. Why are some of our Anioma people saying that they don't want to join the Southeast? By giving petty reasons. What are the reasons that those our Anioma people are giving? Their reasons are they don't dance with Amala. They don't have the same deities in our region. Just they give reason where it be say it not make sense for ear. Those are the reasons that they are giving. Some are saying if we Okwane people join the Southeast, Okwane language will go into extinction. Our people will no longer be speaking Okwane language. They will take our land, they will take our resources, they will start imposing their culture on us. We were near Urobo people. Our language for Okwane land don't change, no. Even as Robo people, they flock enter Okwane land. Did our language change? No. See Ika people, see Benin people. Did Benin people influence Ika language? No. Did Ika language go into extinction? No. If we join Southeast, are you not telling me that they will not be telling our children, stop speaking Okwane, speak Anambra, stop speaking Okwane, speak Imo? Who told you that they will impose their people on us? Say, na Anambra person go come be governor of Anioma state. Say, na Abakaliki person go come be governor of Anioma state. Who they give on those kind of reason? Who they give on those kind of mindsets? Our Southeast brothers gave us their slots for we to get Anioma state and join them in the Southeast. Instead of some of our Anioma people that are fighting against the zoning of Anioma state to the Southeast. To be happy, to be appreciative that these our Southeast brothers have given us their slots. They said that they don't want Anioma state to join the Southeast. Knowing fully well that those state agitators from the South will never allow Anioma state to come to pass because they too want to have their own states. Instead of our brothers from Anioma that don't want Anioma state to join the Southeast, to rethink and understand what we are telling them and change their mind and accept the Southeast. Some of them said, no, we rather remain in Delta State than to have Anioma State and join the Southeast. We are okay in Delta State. If to say na suffer, we go suffer for Delta State. Make we dey suffer. That is the mindset of a failure. The major people that are supposed to be supporting the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning are Okwane people. And that's because Okwane region is the poorest Igbo region in Delta State. Okwane person no go fit tell you say this is the infrastructure that we have in Okwane land, where federal government built for us, where state government built for us. In Okwane land, we don't have road, we don't have lights, we don't have federal universities or state universities, we don't have federal polytechnic or state polytechnic, we don't have federal or state college of education, we don't have federal or state hospital. For the past 20 years, Okwane people don't have lights. And you go see somebody from Okwane tell you say, you know what, make Anioma State join Southeast. We Okwane people dey for this Delta State. Other regions for this Anioma they progress past us. As I dey talk about this Anioma State now, I be the expect say so many of my Okwane people go come, they ask me how we go take do this thing. Make we put them through, make we move on, make we get this Anioma State. Okwane youths are supposed to be protesting, rallying everywhere that they want Anioma State to be part of Southeast. Look at other state agitators from the South. 5 people are agitating for a state. Do you think that those 5 people will give Anioma people the slots for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the South? It's not possible. Those are our Anioma people that are fighting against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast. If that time comes, say they won't give South one state, Anioma State will never be created for the South. People will not know the meaning of opportunity comes but once. Opportunity not they come 2 times. This opportunity where our Southeast brother don't give us their slot for us to join them. Not only once they come for a lifetime. If we miss that opportunity now, Anioma own don't finish for life. You they follow all those politicians who not mean well for Anioma. They support them. Say they sign against the zone of Anioma State to the Southeast. Did they take our permission before they signed all those rubbish? Our obis for Oshima and Anyocha are in support of Anioma State to join the Southeast. And politicians will not know where they're from come. They sign documents say they don't make Anioma State join Southeast. So many of Paluku, Kwane land want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the Southeast. And those politicians will not get future from Okwane land, they sign against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast. Failures will not give Okwane people light. Failures will not give Okwane people road. Failures will not give Okwane infrastructure. Failures will not tell federal government say, this is what our Okwane people want. Give Okwane people this, give Okwane people that. They not care. Since they're there for that place, no good to enter Okwane land. And what some of our Okwane people are saying is, Senator Edwoko did nothing for Okwane people. As if their own brother Patrick Kosakwe from Okwane land, where they for Senate for 8 years, do anything for Okwane people. Some people go to say, nah, Tinubu be the problem of Nigeria. Tinubu is not the problem of Nigeria. Nigerians are the problem of Nigeria because so many Nigerians not get direction. So many Nigerians not know what it be. Opportunity comes but once. So many Nigerians are blaming people for their misfortune instead of blaming themselves for their backwardness. The deputy governor of Delta State is an Okwane person. They talk. How many times we don't hear him voice for this Delta state? Since he entered that place, waiting he don't do for Okwane people. Nothing. Instead of Okwane people to the drag and say, since you became the deputy governor of Delta state, waiting you don't do for us. No. The only way they know now, we don't want to join the Southeast. Southeast people will change our language. They will start ruling us. Just look at the reasons that my people from Okwane land are giving. How you think that people they reason like this go fit get road? How you say they go fit get lights? And we have youths in Okwane land. People that are supposed to be supporting the creation of Anioma state. Knowing fully well that we Okwane people are a majority. Say if we get this Anioma state now, our voice now go loud pass for this Anioma land. Okwane people now plenty pass for Anioma land. If we get Anioma state, more local governments will be created for Okwane people. Okwane people will have 3 House of Reps members. Okwane people can produce governor. They can produce their own senator. One senator go dey represent we Okwane people. We go get good road. We go get lights. We go get hospital. We go get job. So many job opportunities will be created for Okwane people. Every benefit that other states are getting in Nigeria, Anioma state will be getting that same benefit. Okwane people will be benefiting. Oshimiri, Anyocha, and Ika people will be benefiting. But instead, you take because of reason we not get head, they will change our language, they will start ruling us, they will start doing this, they will start doing that. Now because of all those reasons, they make you the thought so you don't want to make Anioma state join Southeast. Knowing fully well that Anioma state cannot be created for the South. Say people where they agitate for states for South plenty. Okwane people wake up. No mind all those politicians from Ikala where they fight against the zoning of Anioma state to the Southeast. All those people now money where they go chop 20 years coming and they define. Now what if they go chop 50 years coming and they fine? Those people don't care about we Okwane people. If you don't know it, you know it today. When Okowa was the governor of Delta State, what did you do for Okwane people? Nothing. When he was the senator representing Anioma people, he did nothing for Okwane people. As seen they fight the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast, some of our Okwane people, they support her. Make Okwane people, they reason no say, we Okwane people, we need development. As Asawa Pasabata say, you know, make Anioma State join Southeast. Say na in personal opinion. That one na your opinion, not be the opinion of we Okwane people. No be waiting Asaba they suffer, Okwane they suffer. Asaba get college of education. Then they get steady lights. They get infrastructures. How many of those things they for Okwane land? None. Okwane people now they power Nigeria with our crude oil and gas in Okwane land. Now we dey power Delta State with our crude oil and gas in Okwane land. How come our land is backward? How come Okwane land lack development? But people where they this Anioma land where be say their land not they produce anything for this country. Then they benefit more. And people from that place go to toss they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. No, if you that this is the only opportunity that we have. Anioma people wake up. Make una not they allow politicians to they deceive una. Politicians will not fit do good thing for una. Politicians will not they bring development to una. Politicians will not they bring government closer to una. Go they determine your future for you. The proposal for Anioma State since 1938 is for Anioma people to join Eastern region, to join the Southeast. Some Anioma people will be saying, what are we going to benefit from the Southeast? What are you benefiting from the South-South? What have Okwane people benefited from the South-South? Nothing. Let's support the internet and make sure we get Anioma State and join our brothers in the Southeast. Now only our Southeast brothers go see us as their brothers. We speak the same language. Our Southeast brothers not go feed the marginalized we Okwane people. They get their own state. We get our own state in that same Southeast. If South-South is favorable to we Okwane people, good things for the Okwane land. Okwane youths, wake up. Stop allowing those Okwane people who don't know say that they suffer to be telling you that we should not join the Southeast. Stop allowing those our Okwane brothers that don't know where they belong to be telling you that Southeast is not good. Southeast will do us this, they will do us that. No, they allow those people to they tell you where Anioma State go dey. We Anioma people, we are Igbo people. The same names we bear in Okwane land is what they bear in the Southeast. We cannot get Anioma State in the South-South. There are so many state agitators there. None of them will give us the slots for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the South-South. Let's get Anioma State and join our brothers in the Southeast. That is how those that have sense reason. Opportunity comes but once in a lifetime. Ishieware.